Hello guys, welcome back. Today's video, I want to show you how to repost videos on TikTok. To actually repost videos on TikTok, it's very simple and very basic to do. So the first thing you want to do, I want you to go to your TikTok account. So let's open up my TikTok account over here. So guys, once you open up your TikTok account, the next thing you want to do, you want to look for the video you want to repost. Let's just swipe up. Let's say I actually want to repost this video. What am I going to do? Once you actually look for the video you want to repost and you actually get it, what you have to do is this. If you check the bottom right corner of that video, you're going to see an arrow icon over there. I want you to tap on that arrow icon. So let's tap on it. So once you tap on that arrow icon, if you check the bottom here, you're going to see some menus over there. Then if you check the bottom left corner, you're going to see where it says repost. You just want to tap on that repost, and this video, this particular content will be reposted to your followers on TikTok. So guys, this is how you can actually repost videos of another person on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.